Hello everyone, here in this video we'll discuss how to update Linux distro on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. If you have enabled Linux development environment on your Chromebook and you are wondering how you can update your Linux distro, then you can simply follow this method. To update your Linux distro, simply click on App Launcher icon and here look for Terminal application. Simply open it. Now here click on Penguin option. Now to update your Linux distro, simply run few terminal command. Number one is sudo apt update. Then hit enter key and wait for the update process to complete. After that, you have to upgrade your package file. For that, simply type sudo apt upgrade. Then hit enter key, and if you get a prompt, do you want to continue? Here simply type Y, then hit enter key and wait for the process to complete. After that, simply run sudo apt space dist hyphen upgrade space hyphen y. Then hit enter key and it will update your Linux distro. So that's it. These are the few terminal commands you can use to update your Linux distro. Don't worry, I'll provide all these terminal commands in the description box. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.